What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. Let me start off by apologizing first for not uploading as much as I used to. Also, thank you to all of those that have followed me. I hit 500. Well, I'm at like 501, I think. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys followed me even though I wasn't uploading. Truly appreciate that. I have my own place. Well, my girlfriend and I have our own house. We bought a house. That's one of the reasons why I stopped making videos. It was just a big process. But first, say hi to our gorgeous, gorgeous dog. She's got a mohawk. We took her to get groomed, and they left the mohawk on her without us asking. Everyone loves it, but we might have to cut it. Also, by the way, I apologize if the audio is completely different. You guys could hear a lot of background noise. I don't know what happened to my mic, like with the whole move. I don't know where it's at, so I gotta look for that. But yeah, I apologize. Back to the purpose of this video and why my truck is in my garage. As you guys know, or if you don't know, all my interior lights, full LED, the front headlights, LED except for my fog lights, but I'm gonna just change those out. So that leaves my tail lights still halogen bulb, and that's why Auxito, they reached out to me and they said, hey, we want to send you our LED lights for the tail lights, but they only sent these ones for now, my reverse lights. So that's what I'm going to be installing today. To take this off, if you don't know, it's 2 bolts only, 10 millimeters. This bottom one from the top and the bottom one, or the lower one at the bottom. So back here, there are 2 nubs that are going to hold in your tail light, even though the bolts are removed. So you'll just grab it from here and just give it a good tug and they'll pop off. Don't worry, they won't break. I won't bore you guys by taking this out, mainly because I only have this out of all the out of all this mess of tools and stuff. That's the only 10 millimeter that I have. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. Let me take that out and then I'll show you how to remove the bulb. All right, so this right here, that's the little nub on the bottom, and that's the little nub at the top. That goes right in there. That holds on the tail light, even though that the 2 bolts are out. So yeah, just that right there. So trust me, won't break. Anyways, so if you don't know, to remove your bulbs, all 3 of these, it's the same way. You're just gonna twist it to the left, and they'll pop out. Now to remove that, all you gotta do is just pull out and they'll pop off just like that. So this is the bulbs that Auxito sent out, or packaging, I should say. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. And that right there are the bulbs. So this is it right there. To put this back in, it's easy. You're just gonna place it right in there. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands for that, so let me set you guys down and do that off camera, or actually I could show you guys. Just like that. And then to put it back in, just exact same way as you took it out, except you'll turn to the right. Just like that, all done. This one over here is still stock. That one is LED. And I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the truck, put it in reverse so you guys can see the difference. Super easy install. Link in the description for these. 5-star ratings, over 500 reviews. Go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, thank you for the 500 subscribers. I do apologize for going in this little hiatus, but I'm back. We back. More videos to come. Thank you. Have a great day. Deuces. Remember, live life.